Hey, this is G3 Car Review, and I've got a car for you. But first, take a look around here at all the cars here at this event. You know, there's quite a few cars, a lot of people here. We were at another, like a Baptist church where we're supposed to hold it at, and they moved it, and I did not get the memo. But I'm here now, late. And I've got a car here, and it's a McLaren. And take a look. This whole car is carbon fiber. You see here, McLaren right here? There you go. This car is a 2021 McLaren GT. There's no 570S, 760 or nothing like that. It's just a GT. Just want to clear that up for you, people watching all. So before we get started, let's see how low the ground this car is. Take a look. Not too low. This is higher off the ground than a lot of the other McLarens. Okay, remember this car is all carbon fiber. You got your running lights right here. Here's your running lights right here. LEDs are back up in here, which you can't hardly see. And I like this scoop right here. Look at here. Take a look right here. Right there. There's a radiator right there. See here, look at that. And we got all across the front of the car, and it's like we got another radiator right here on this side. See? Like that. And then we got a trunk. We open this up right here. You know what? I cannot fit inside this trunk at all with a glass of wine or anything like that, but you can put a couple small suitcases in here. I know that. And we actually have lights in here. We got a plug right here. Let's see what it's plugged for. The plug is for cigarette lighter. Why would you need a cigarette lighter in the Hey, why would you need a cigarette lighter in the trunk of the car?
So we use that, you can charge the battery.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's a trickle. You can put your trickle charger and you charge the battery to back.
All right, smoke at the same time. I love it. I love it. And it's like, yeah, here's a battery. Looks like a battery charger right here to jump start the cars in case you need to right here. Nice. All right, we'll shut this. And coming around this way, this car, what, scissor door? They call scissor doors. Okay. Let's go around this way, Rob.
And if you see the back, it has a open carbon forge. So you see this? Old carbon forge.
All right. Now take a look right here. This is, oh, look here. Alcantara seats right here, and the seats got some hard plastic back here, but it's not carbon fiber. And they got leather on the dash up there. Okay, and take a look this way. Here we go. Got some air going in here, right here, for the engine to cool the engine down. And let's walk around this way. Take a look right here. We got a scissor door right here. That's what you call scissor doors. Big ass wheels, McLaren brake rotors right here. Big nice black wheels. This whole car is black. I like that. Another air scoop coming in to cool off the engine. Ventilation right here from the heat from the engine right here. And we got water here and oil right here. So both, it's a two, I guess maybe it's all oil right here. And then the engine, excuse me. And so we got water right here. It says water. And the engine right here is all down below right here, what you can't see. It's like, I don't know how it breathes with this covering on here, but somehow it breathes, somehow. And if you look right here, got glass right here to see the engine on most of these sports cars, but how are you going to see the engine Well, the glass right here is tinted, and you can't see the engine. You know, does any of this come off to where that people can see the engine whenever you want to, or not like that?
You could take it off, but only to do maintenance.
Oh, okay. Yep. I follow you.
Yeah.
So
the brakes are carbon ceramic.
Right.
The brakes are carbon ceramics. Yeah. So when you do service on the engine,
now where do you put the nuclear fuel in? I know.
Yeah.
612 horsepower nuclear fuel. Yeah. Now where's the fuel going in at? Seriously, where's the fuel? Oh, on this side? Oh, I see it. Yeah. So how big exhaust right here? Huge exhaust. Look at that. Oh my God, huge. You gotta have, let's see, camera right here, and it's like more heat comes off the engine right here. Nice, and it does 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Oh, that's fast. Come around this way. Now we're back on the driver's side. Here, let me take a look at with the camera right here, and your scissor door. And it does not have roll-up windows. No. And it's like you got your different modes in here. It's your small entertainment center right here, which shows your speed. Well, not your speed, but different things that you want to do with the car. Plus your paddle shifting right here, and your different modes. You got park mode. Hey, we got park mode. We got drive mode. We got all this. And as you see, no back seat. You can see all the way in the back here to the engine compartment with no glass partition. If you notice that, none. I can't believe this. And you got maroon stitching in the seats right here. And I like this. You got a sunroof right here. Look at that, big sunroof. And then you got your glass that goes over the engine compartment right there. Okay. Now, I want one of these cars.
And then
God damn thing.
Right there.
Oh, hit the brake.
Yeah, the start button right there. Yep. Go ahead.
Oh shit!
And hit
nice.
Active in the middle.
Hit active in the middle, right here. Active. We started the engine. Now we're hitting the active. And what? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. We got. Do what now?
It's a track mode.
Track mode?
Yep.
Okay, different mode. Okay, here's your media, your phone, all this. Navigation, home link, audio, ambient, settings. Oh, this is nice. Nice. I like this. The owner let me start the car up. It's got great sound to it. And like he said, right there on the right, it says track mode right there. It's like, I'm sure he got hurricane modes, tornado modes. It's like slipping and sliding, and it's like, nice. They even have AC, look at this, AC. And a radar detector right here. Oh, you gotta have one of those when you got a fast car like this. Nice, I want one. All right, I just got out of the car. It was tough getting out of this car because I'm a big guy. It's small getting in and out of this car. But I tell you what, this is another car going by the wayside. Yay! I love it.